Are you an avid DIY guy or gal? Have you ever considered building your own hot tub, swim spa, or small pool? I can understand if you feel this type of project might be a little intimidating, or not really in your wheelhouse. However, what if you could get free coaching help from start to finish for your own personal project? Would that be a game changer for you? Here is a recently completed custom-built spa's customer project, a DIY plunge pool. The customers did a majority of the work themselves. Nothing fancy here, a fairly basic project, and the final cost came in under $8,500. This project has been estimated to add over double that cost in equity value to the customer's home. There are literally endless possibilities to what you as a DIY guy or gal can build as a project for you and your family. In the background you see a combination spa and swim spa built by John C. in California. John did have a small advantage in the fact that he was a remodeling contractor. However, he never attempted to build this type project previously. I think John pulled off a pretty impressive first-time project. There are many advantages to building your own hot tub, swim spa, or small pool. You can build it where you want, whatever size you want, and you get to outfit it the way you want. Example, a hot tub can be low flow and tame, or high flow and aggressive. Same with a swim spa. Build it for casual recreational swimming, for competitive training, or both. A small pool can be built for just doing healthy water exercising.
I would like to invite you to come visit the Custom Built Spa's website. Browse through the impressive customer completed projects in their gallery. In addition, read through some of the many customer testimonials and see what their experience working with Custom Built Spas was like. Let Custom Built Spas help you get started on your project today.